We back, it's prime time rapping. We got a new challenger though. New spitter! New spitter! Calm it down. It's not about Mute Spitter today.
It's about me.
We know what we came here for. The champion, our main man, glasses, jacket, shirt, super hot fire!
But I'm not a rapper.
He's not.
Alright, yo, we got the magical penny right here. Heads and tails does it well. Nah, we're not gonna do that. Oh, you know the rules. Super hot goes first.
He always does this, man.
Nah, not today. It's on you, Mute.
Ooh.
Let's go.
He ain't even let me go
Calm
first.
it down.
Rip a Mute.
Spit that Mute.
Rip a Mute.
Let's go, man.
Can't even hear him.
He's spitting.
That ain't nothing. Go ahead and spit that for me.
Get soup. I never take showers
Whoa, that's nasty.
without a loofah.
Okay, he caught me back.
Hot fire. Don't forget the super!
It's too crazy in these streets right now. No more rounds, just back and forth. Spit that. Go, Mute.
Let's go, Mute. Come on, man. Let's go, Mute.
Woo! Putting on the headphones.
Read his lips.
It's a silent. That's disrespectful. That's disrespectful.
Why didn't I think of that?
Simmer down.
Oh my God, why didn't I think of that?
Super. Get him.
Oh my God.
Look. 2 eyes.
2.
1 nose.
1.
Mute Spitter. 0 losses.
Get him.
Versus Super Hot. Not Ashton.
Wrong
Calm it down.
Get him,
That
soup.
down. Spit that. Get it, soup.
Debit cards. I swipe that.
Cha-ching.
Tip drill. The weather.
What you do with that?
I check that.
Okay, it is hot.
Super hot.
It is hot. It's not gonna rain. It's not gonna rain.
They said it was gonna rain.
After a win, naps.
All right.
I take that.
That's it. Prime time rapping. Soup did it again. Wins, no loss.
But I'm not a rapper.